Good morning, baby girl. What day is it? Is it your birthday? Is it your birthday? Are you 4? You want to go for a walk? Oh, yeah, let's go for a walk. Violet, it's even nice and cold for your birthday. Okay, so to start this birthday off right, first of all, I need to get changed. Okay, there we go. That's a lot better. It's a little cold outside today. I know we're starting at Starbucks. She's desperate for Starbucks. We're gonna get in the car and we'll see what happens. Violet, you have a mustache. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh, it's in your nose, girl. But we're gonna find a drive-thru with some chicken nuggets and we will go from there. I got a decaf white chocolate mocha with extra white chocolate in it. She has her nose stuck out the window and I can't open all the windows on the car. I can't even open that one halfway because it's cold outside. It's in the 50s. And she's... Gosh, Violet, it was 80 degrees yesterday, okay? We are not getting ice cream when it is 50 degrees outside, ma'am. So good news, Chick-fil-A is open. Bad news, she is very impatient. So we're sitting in the drive-thru and we're gonna get some nuggets. Can I get an 8-count nuggets too? Sure. And that'll be it. Alright, you're all set. Thank you. For some nuggets?
Hello.
Hi.
Just give me with the 8-count nugget.
Yep.
It's going to be $9.88. There you go.
Thank
There
you.
you go.
Thank you so much.
You want a dog treat?
Oh, what's this? Is that for you? Is that all for you? Ugh. You want a cookie? You want one? Okay. All right, there you go. We went home for a bit. I'm waiting on my mom, but we are gonna take Missy here to the park. When my mom gets in, we're gonna go and we will check back in at the park. We will check in at the park. What you doing? Come on, let's go. Go. Go make friends. Okay, it's time for presents. Come here. Good girl, you want your presents? What is that? Oh, is it tennis balls? And what's this? A new blanket! What are those? Aww. She's got the blanket and she's got her tennis balls. Yay! For anyone wondering why I didn't get her more like toys, it's because she has all of these and she is set with all the toys that she could ever want. Okay, I did not know that my mom was gonna do this, but she got Violet a birthday present. What do you think? You want some?
She was a good girl at the dog.
She was.
Come on.
Good girl.
Yeah.
This is until I give her grandchildren and then no more presents.
True. The grandchildren get the presents, not the dog. But I can wait.
Yes, I can wait too. It is late at night and we have had a long day. Lots of fun stuff happened. We found a park that Violet likes, which is a miracle. She's passed out right now. She's so cute. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit the like button and you hit subscribe to see more of my videos. I post a video every week. The usernames for all of my social media are going to be in the description down below, so you can follow me on those as well. And I will see you all next time. Bye.